Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Cassie. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this headband wig that was sent to me by CURLKALON. I want to say a huge shout out to them for partnering with me for today's video. They sent me over their gorgeous kinky straight human hair headband wig to review for you guys, and I'm super excited to show you how I styled it and of course give you my full thoughts and opinions on this wig. So if you guys are new to the channel and you have never been here before, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of content, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you never miss a video from me. And let's go ahead and get into this review. I wanted to include this footage because I actually wore this wig before this review. So this is what the wig looked like straight out of the box. I hadn't flat ironed it yet, so this is what it looks like in its natural state. I love the texture of it. Again, this is their kinky straight texture. So this is going to mimic blown out natural hair. You can sleek it down with a flat iron as you guys saw, and we'll see in a second. And it took to heat really nicely, and obviously you guys saw that I did end up adding some wand curls, which we will get into in a little bit. Here's what the length looks like on me. I am 6 feet tall, so if you are shorter than me, this length will appear a little bit longer on you. I did get a little bit more length once I obviously flat ironed the unit and stretched it out just a little bit. Here's a side by side of what it looks like in its natural state versus what it looks like after I quickly ran a flat iron through it. So here we are on day 2 of wearing this wig, and I'm gonna go ahead and slick back my edges. On the first day, I really swooped them and did some things because I was filming an IG reel, but on this day, I was like, you know what? I'm good with just a slick back edge kind of sleek look. You know, sometimes I don't feel like doing my edges, so I'm good on that. So I'm just taking some edge control and an edge brush and getting my edges nice and laid so that I can go ahead and apply this wig. I do want to touch on the packaging. I really appreciate really nice packaging, and I like this box. I like that it was like laminated and colorful on the inside. I thought it was really cool, and I'm just like a sucker for packaging. This is what the wig looked like after I had styled it and put it away in the box. I ended up having like a flat twist style, so it had a little bit of a wave to it, but I brushed it out and I didn't have any issues or anything like that. And by now we all know how easy you can apply your headband wigs. It is so simple, very beginner friendly, and this one is no different. I went ahead and secured the comb in the back, and then I'm going to Velcro the headband down so that the wig is fitting on my head. I didn't wear a wig grip either time that I have worn this wig, but you could definitely do that, especially if you were heading out and you want some added security. I really love a good half up, half down type of style, so that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video, and I wanted to spice it up a little bit and see if this wig could hold a curl. I know that sometimes with a kinky straight texture, the curls don't tend to last as long, but I wanted to throw in some wand curls just to do something a little bit different. I have had this wand for probably 10 years. I desperately need a new one, so I'm gonna go do some shopping on Amazon, and if I find one, I will be sure to link it down below in my Amazon storefront. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I use in any of my videos, always check down below and you can shop by which category. I have a ton of different topics that you can choose from if you want to shop around, so that link is always listed below for you guys. I really liked working with this hair. I love the natural sheen that it gave, especially after I put a little bit of heat on it. I didn't add any products to this hair, but I felt like it looked like really healthy, natural hair, and I love that. I like having a little bit of texture because I feel like those wigs always look a little bit more natural. You could really go in with small sections and get all those kinks out and have it look really sleek and nice, but you know what? I wasn't really aiming for perfection on this day. Am I really ever aiming for perfection? No. But if that is something that you would want to achieve, you could really take your time and work out all the kinks, and it would give a really nice, relaxed look. But on this day, I knew that a little bit of texture wasn't going to bother me, so I was good. I am really impressed with the quality of this wig, and I think you guys will be too if you do decide to purchase it. The hair was super soft. I love the density, and I really like the quality of this wig. I have tried a few headband wigs, and I feel like even though they are very similar, each company does it a little bit differently, and I like the security of the band of this headband wig. I have had a few where they're a little bit loose, and I just don't love that. I really like my wigs to be on my head so I know it ain't going nowhere, and this wig definitely gives me that security feeling, so I really like that. I really enjoyed working with this company, and this hair is absolutely gorgeous, and I think that you guys will love it. I love the end result. I love the wand curls, love the body, and I can't get over this shine. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop rambling and conclude this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see a few different ways that I styled this unit, head on over to my Instagram. I did post a reel, and I showed you about 3 to 4 other styles that you could do with this wig. Don't forget to turn on the bell so you never miss an upload from me. Again, I want to say a huge thank you to CURLKALON for working with me on today's video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit for yourself, I will leave all the links down below in the description bar, so be sure to check it out. And I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very, very soon.